Hello everyone, and welcome back to Tech for Boost. In today's video, we're taking a look at GolgotaOS, a custom Windows build inspired by Windows 11 IoT Enterprise LTSC to 5H2. This build is designed to deliver a clean and optimized Windows experience while maintaining the stability of the LTSC platform. It's aimed at users who prefer a streamlined operating system with fewer unnecessary components and a focus on responsiveness. In this review, we'll explore the desktop, check the idle RAM usage, CPU usage, installed storage size, and take a closer look at the features included in GolgotaOS. As always on Tech for Boost, everything shown in this video is based on real testing. There are no fake benchmarks, no unrealistic performance claims, and no misleading clickbait, just an honest review to help you decide whether this custom Windows build is worth trying. Now, let's dive into GolgotaOS and see what it has to offer. If you'd like to download GolgotaOS, the process is quick and easy. First, open the TMS download page using the link in the pinned comment or the video description. Once you're on the page, scroll down until you reach the direct download section. If you prefer a faster alternative, you can also use the Pixel Drain direct download link provided in the video description. Once the download is complete, you'll be ready to create a bootable USB drive or install the build in a virtual machine for testing. Enjoy the video, and let's get started.
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star.
Didn't even get to cross.
I said I'm moving too far. Get to glass. Looking at a shooting star. Got more than a couple of people going mad, I swear they're rooting hard. Tell them I be big in the game like she went and got them breast implants. I said I'm moving too fast, didn't even get to glance. I'm ready to eat up track like I'm seated in a restaurant. If you had swag like mine, you know it's best to flaunt. We aren't hating because you aren't shining like it's neon, rock like kings of Leon. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, then I just have to leave. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, then I just have to leave. Yeah, shoot, yeah, shoot, yeah, shooting, yeah, shooting shots. Shooting stars. Shooting stars.
Didn't even get